Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the baseball 9 hack. Okay guys, I'm just kidding. Let's go ahead and get into the actual tutorial. Now I'm going to be showing you how to get the baseball 9 plus plus. This is basically a modified version of baseball 9 which will allow you to get everything for free. So you can get unlimited gems, coins, drinks, anything you want in the game for absolutely free using the baseball 9 plus plus. Now it is completely safe, so you won't be banned or anything like that, and this is working on both iOS and Android devices. Many of my subscribers have been asking for this, so let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Now the first step you want to do is go ahead and go to your home screen. You guys will notice I am on an iPhone, but it's going to be exactly the same if you're on Android. So start off by going into settings right here. Let me go ahead and back up a few steps. So once you're in settings, go ahead and look for general. So it's going to be just general right there at the very top. Click on it and click on background app refresh and make sure it's set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now you might be wondering, why do I need to change these settings? Well, you need to configure your device for the download because this does not require any type of jailbreak or root or a computer or anything like that. So you're going to be doing this all directly from your mobile device. So make sure it's set on Wi-Fi and cellular data or Wi-Fi. Now what you want to do now is click back and go back to settings. Now if you're on an iOS or Android user, you're going to have this battery right here, battery tab. It's going to go ahead and say low power mode. So how you can tell pretty easily if you have this turned on is you're going to have a yellow power bar. Just go ahead and disable that. And then you're pretty much ready for the download. So yeah, I'm going to go back to my home screen and we can go ahead and proceed with the download. So we're going to go to our internet browser. You guys can see I'm using Safari today, but you can use like Google Chrome or anything like that. Just make sure you are on your mobile device. Now go ahead and click this little, the search bar. We're just going to go ahead and type in this website right here. It's called Inject App. Now you should see it instantly, so just type Inject App and then you're going to see the very first one called injectapp.org. Just go ahead and tap on it. It's going to go ahead and load up just like this. Just go ahead and click the search bar, type in baseball. So let me go ahead and type that in real quickly. And then see, it's auto correcting. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and see the baseball 9 mod. It says no jailbreak or root required, and it is completely free. Just go ahead and click on it. It's going to go ahead and show you what phone you're on. So I'm on an iPhone. That's what version I'm on. Just go ahead and click the start injection button and it will start downloading the new modified version of baseball 9. This is absolutely insane, so be sure to share this with all your friends. Hopefully they don't patch this anytime soon. I'm going to go ahead and just close out because I do already have the modified version installed on my device. Let me go ahead and find it for you guys. There it is right there, baseball 9 plus plus. Hope you guys enjoy this, and until next time, see you guys.